Actual real AEM.
2000 Integra. GSR shell. That's 2000 seats. Got a little wear here. Pretty clean.
Steering wheel does not come with it.
No dents. Yeah, it's fucking bird shit. It's bird shit. Fresh paint.
Pexi exhaust.
Pexi exhaust.
Show close right here. It says a Pexi.
Lowering control arms.
Shows that left one is made.
Left one. Coils, Taquito Boost.
My sister.
I know, right?
Why does that have cheeks?
The JG head. You can see the stamp. Right there. High-tech headers.
Melanie.
High-tech tri-wide header.
No leaks.
Get a little closer so you can see that there's definitely no leaks.
Definitely no leaks here.
And it's not been washed in a while, so it's not that we just washed it. It's dry.
Yeah, it has sport mounts. No ticks, no knocks. The idle's funny. There's a tune. Oh, it's from the throttle body, sorry.
Because it's new. The new throttle body.
70mm throttle body.
Just needs a little bit of adjustment. That's all.
Just needed adjustment on the throttle body to fix the idle.